Oh, Jesus.
Woman, behold your son. Son, behold your mother.
My son, what have they done to my son? My child, my precious baby boy, my only. How could you not believe, with all that you have seen, that Jesus came, he came to set us free? My son, look what they've done to my son. My boy, God sent his only son, my Jesus. The first day when I saw your face, I knew you were the one. God promised you would come. What have they done? You condemned my son for crimes he's never done. All he's shown is love. You've crushed the chosen one. You have crucified my son. You've pierced his hands and feet. You have nailed him to a tree for all the world to see. God, my Father, hear my plea. Have mercy on my son and his agony. My son, how do I say goodbye to you? My boy, your mother loves you so. My Jesus. God, my Father, take him home. Allow him to